Welcome to a journey into the wild, where the rhythms of nature unfold across vast open plains and life moves with quiet determination. Today, we step into the world of the zebra, an animal both familiar and mysterious, known for its striking black and white stripes and its powerful presence in the grasslands. As the sun rises over the savanna, herds begin their daily search for water and fresh grazing, navigating a landscape filled with beauty, challenge, and survival. In this documentary, we'll explore the lives of these remarkable creatures and discover what makes them one of the most iconic animals of the African wilderness. Zebras are fascinating members of the horse family, known for their black and white stripes and strong social bonds. Their reproduction process, often called zebra mating behavior, is part of their natural life cycle and is commonly observed in the wild across regions of. Like many herd animals, zebras rely on social structure, communication, and seasonal cues when forming pairs and raising young. In the wild, zebras typically live in groups known as harems. A harem usually consists of one dominant male, several females, and their offspring. This social structure is common in species such as the dominant male protects the group and stays with the same females for long periods, which helps maintain stability in the herd. When a female zebra is ready to reproduce, she shows subtle behavioral signals that the male can recognize. These signals may include changes in posture, movement, or scent. The male zebra responds by staying close and monitoring the female's readiness, which is a normal part of animal courtship behavior. Before reproduction occurs, zebras often perform courtship behaviors. These include gentle nudging, sniffing, and walking together. The male may follow the female closely while making soft vocalizations. These actions help both animals confirm readiness and strengthen their pair bond. Another part of zebra courtship involves movement displays. The male sometimes prances or circles the female while keeping a respectful distance. This behavior is not aggressive. Instead, it is a way to show interest and establish communication within the herd environment. Scent also plays an important role in zebra reproduction. Zebras rely heavily on their sense of smell to understand social cues. A male zebra may use scent to determine whether a female is ready to reproduce, which helps coordinate the timing of reproduction in the herd. Zebra mating usually occurs quickly and naturally once both animals are ready. It is simply a biological step that leads to the possibility of offspring. Like other mammals in the horse family, zebras follow instinctive patterns that ensure the continuation of their species. After successful mating, the female zebra begins a pregnancy that lasts about 12 to 13 months. During this time, the herd remains an important support system. The dominant male continues protecting the group, while the female carries the developing foal. When the baby zebra is born, it is called a foal. Zebra foals are remarkable because they can stand and walk within a short time after birth. This ability helps them stay close to the herd and avoid predators in the wild landscapes of. Newborn foals spend their first days learning to recognize their mother. Their stripe patterns help them identify each other. Each zebra has a unique stripe arrangement, much like a fingerprint, which helps foals stay connected to the correct parent. Mother zebras are very protective of their young. They often keep their foals slightly apart from the rest of the herd during the first few days. This quiet bonding period helps the foal memorize the mother's appearance, smell, and sounds. As the foal grows, it begins exploring its surroundings while remaining close to the herd. Young zebras learn social behavior by watching adults interact. This learning process prepares them for future roles within the group. The dominant male zebra continues to guard the herd from predators and rival males. Occasionally, another male may attempt to challenge the leader. These challenges are part of natural herd dynamics and help determine which male leads the group. Young male zebras eventually leave their birth herd when they reach maturity. They may form small bachelor groups while searching for opportunities to start their own harems. This process spreads genetic diversity across zebra populations. Female zebras, on the other hand, often remain with the same herd throughout their lives. Their stable relationships help maintain strong family connections within the group. These bonds contribute to the herd's overall survival. Reproductive timing in zebras can vary depending on environmental conditions. Rainfall, food availability, and herd stability all influence when reproduction is most likely to occur. Healthy grasslands support stronger herds and higher chances of successful births. Scientists who study zebras, including those observing the often track reproduction patterns to understand population health. Monitoring births helps researchers learn whether zebra populations are growing, stable, or declining. Conservation organizations also pay attention to zebra reproduction. Protecting habitats ensures that zebras have safe places to live, find food, and raise their young. Grasslands, water sources, and migration paths are all important for maintaining healthy zebra populations. Some zebras live in protected areas, such as where wildlife researchers and conservationists observe natural herd behavior. These environments allow zebras to follow their natural life cycle with minimal human disturbance. In summary, zebra mating behavior is simply a natural reproductive process shaped by herd structure, communication, and environmental factors. Through courtship, pregnancy, and the raising of foals, zebras continue the cycle of life that has supported their species across the plains of Africa for thousands of years. Under the blazing sun of the endless grassland, a lone cheetah moved like a streak of golden wind through the tall, whispering blades. Its sleek body flowed with silent precision, muscles rippling beneath spotted fur as amber eyes scanned the horizon with unwavering focus. Each step was careful and deliberate, the air thick with anticipation. As the cheetah paused, ears twitching at the faintest rustle carried by the breeze. The vast plain stretched in every direction, shimmering with heat, yet the cheetah pressed onward with patient determination, guided by instinct and the quiet promise that somewhere across the open land, the long search would soon reach its moment. In the distance, the cheetah suddenly spotted a group of zebras grazing across the open grassland. Instantly alert, it lowered its body and began to run, its powerful legs driving it swiftly over the plains as it moved closer with intense focus and speed. As the cheetah closed the distance, it suddenly surged forward and began chasing the zebras across the wide grassland. The herd reacted instantly, scattering and running with powerful strides as the sudden burst of speed sent waves through the tall grass. The chase continued across the open plain, hooves pounding against the ground while the cheetah pushed its body to incredible speed. Dust and grass swirled in the air as both sides raced forward, the tense pursuit unfolding beneath the bright sky of the savannah.